Before you have a look at any altcoin, you need to identify and analyze where Bitcoin is going first. Is it going up, is it going sideways, or is it going down? Before we do that, let's review how our price predictions came into fruition. And just as we thought, even a bit more bullish than our predictions and charted zones yesterday. An hour ago, we just broke above our upper bound of our predicted bullish zone for Bitcoin. It even hit our upper PD level here around the 63,340 mark. If we manage to break above the 63,340 mark, we really have very minimal resistance up until the 64,600 mark, and even if we break above that, we can reach up until the 67 mark with very few buy pressure, with very light. We can go and tackle the first immediate serious collection of PD resistance up around the 68,200 to 68,300 mark before these immediate resistances. Before that, mid to long term resistance, we've got other PD resistance to worry about at the 63,340, 64,600, 65,562, and at the 67,500 mark. We are looking very strong from a support perspective. We managed to overcome barrage levels of support, which we have a very strong basis for. We have some kind of a PD gap between the 56,000 mark and at the 52,400 mark. If support is lost all across these different barrages of support, and we support at the 57,700 mark, expect price to go down to the 56,000 mark and even down to the 52,400 mark. We still have very solid support between the 52 and 50,000 mark, and that's for the mid to long term view of Bitcoin. So let's have a look at what tomorrow is holding for Bitcoin. Let's try and predict where price could be going. First of all, let's see from always start with a bear case, guys, a worst case. So let's see where a bear case is for tomorrow's price action from a bearish perspective. So we have quite a barrage of support here between the 59 and 60,000 mark. This could be a decent support level. So let's do it at the same time as today. So this is from a bearish perspective where we could be looking at. We could go even a bit higher to this area here. Let's have a look. If price consolidates and goes nowhere, so we have quite a level of support. We can go even a bit above. If price continues to consolidate, we could see price be in between these levels, these zones. Let's color code this to green. So all of these zones, I'm trying to abide them with the PD level analysis. What I'm doing is I'm looking at the collection of PD levels and where could price be limited to in terms of price action. So let's mark this as where we looked at this today, so that we can review tomorrow. All right, these are the new PD zones that we're looking at for Bitcoin's price action for tomorrow, and I've just marked this current time and date, so we're looking at 24 hours from now, and let's see how it goes. So again, just to summarize for you guys, we're looking at price for a bearish case. We're looking at price between the 60,000 and 61,300 mark. For a consolidating neutral case, we're looking at prices between the 61,788 and the 63,500 mark. And for a bullish case, we're looking at prices for Bitcoin between the 64,000 and the 65,500 mark. So let's review this tomorrow. Don't forget to drop us a like for successfully predicting price action. Subscribe to the channel. This was Joseph from the Price Detector. Thanks again for joining. We'll see you soon. We've got a very exciting announcement for you guys in the next few weeks. We're going to be offering a pilot free trial access to our PD levels across different charts We will initially be including Bitcoin, Solana, Bittensor, Tau, Kaspa, and Qubic. Other charts are in the work as we speak. If you found any information in the video helpful and beneficial, drop us a like, subscribe to the channel, keep an eye again on the free trial announcement. Make sure you're following us on YouTube, X, Twitter, and Telegram. This was Joseph from the Press Detector. We'll see you again.